Hi there. My name is Matt Roby, Director of Business Development at Dragos, a Rockwell Automation technology partner. Rockwell Automation and Dragos partner to deliver cybersecurity solutions that enable our mutual customers to prevent, detect, and respond to cybersecurity incidents impacting their operational technology environments. Dragos provides a cybersecurity platform specifically designed for industrial control systems that delivers real-time visibility into production environments. The platform gives customers a live view into the devices on their industrial networks, known vulnerabilities for those devices, and monitors for cyber threats. It also provides human-readable instructions for remediation in the form of playbooks. Additionally, Rockwell Automation and Dragos offer an incident response retainer to provide customers with global field resources to respond to and remediate from cyber incidents impacting their OT environments. These retainers also offer customers the opportunity to improve their OT security posture with proactive services. Dragos and Rockwell Automation support all industrial verticals, and to learn more, please visit us in the partner locator.